Another Sunday cook. Today we're gonna cook chicken inasal. Simple recipe, simple cook. Stay. First, we'll score the chicken. Yun lang, para pumasok yung sauce. Now let's make the marinade. Start garlic, ginger, lemongrass, calamansi, Hikman soy sauce, mahamasita, sinamak suka, salt, atswete, and mix. Let's also add some sugar. Tap na. And we marinate the chicken. 8 pieces to. Let's add some Sprite. Eight hours marinade. See you tomorrow. Okay, ready to cook. Yes, let's cook. First batch. Now for the taste test. Ada. Juicy. That's it. Look. Good.
It's not dry.
Ah yeah, another Sunday success. Eat na. How's it?